How are you? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Daddy went with Uncle Snake for breakfast. Tita is in the Philippines. The baby wants to eat. Huh? Come on, let's go downstairs and we'll go eat. Come here, help Mommy. Sit here. The truck is here. Guys, $100 per hour there. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. So as you can see, I'm in the bathroom, guys. Today is the day, guys. So it is the 2nd of Feb and we are moving out from our old place, and we're moving to Mount Waverly. So it's going to be a really big day because we have to do all the moving boxes and just everything, guys. It's going to be a tiring day, but at the same time it's very exciting. So I'm still doing a bit more boxing, guys. I am just putting some colors in my face. I'm trying to put makeup on, so when I picked up the boxes, I'm beautiful. Oh guys, I know I'm gonna go crazy. I wish Tita is here, guys, so she can help me out. But currently 8:10 in the morning and Paris is still in bed. That's why my voice is very soft, because I don't want to wake her up. And Ate Ann and Kuya Noah is coming here today to help us out, guys. Thanks the Lord. Thank you so much there and Kuya for doing that. I really appreciate it, because normally when someone offers help, guys, I'll be like, oh no, fine, we can do it. But in this situation, when Ate Ann was like, do you need help? It's like, yes, I do need help. But yeah, so they're coming here later on. One of Daddy's maid as well is coming to help us out, but they're just out for breakfast, so I'm left here by myself. Oh, Paris is still asleep, so I'm just gonna finish doing my makeup on, so I look beautiful while I carry all those boxes, guys. But yeah, definitely I'll take you with me, guys, and show you our hard work. So I'll see you again soon, guys. Bye. So guys, welcome back. So I'm done with my subtle makeup, guys. Just a very simple one, just to inspire me, guys, because it's going to be a really tiring day, I mentioned before. So this is the box here and there. We just have to bring them down. I'm gonna get Daddy to carry them down. So I'm gonna show you downstairs, guys. We've got more boxes here because we still need more. And this is the current situation downstairs. Boxes everywhere. So the TV, I've pulled all the plugs and all yesterday or last night. The couch. Those 2 couches will go with us, and more boxes here, my mannequin, plant, and guys, yes, more boxes there. And there's actually more boxes in our bedroom, guys. So, oh yeah, just looking at them makes me tired already. We got the fridge, obviously we have to take it. We've got the washing machine and all those, bits and bobs. Yeah, more boxes down here. And then I got this rice out, guys, because I'm gonna take it in the car with me. Because like the Filipino tradition, right, guys? Every time we move to a new house, have to take like rice first. I don't know, just, you know, tradition thing, and I still like to follow it. But it's outside. It's going to be a nice day today. I think 24 degrees is not too bad. At least like it's not very hot for us. And outside we still have these boxes too, Paris's toys here as well. And then we've got the barbecue there, the bench, Daddy's gym thingy, this ball there, and in the garage we've got more stuff. So I've got the car here. Got a box here with my shoes. Yeah, more boxing thing for Daddy, and those white thingy that's for Paris's how to call it, cot, and we're just gonna throw them away, guys. There's more in here. Yeah, the new house is actually smaller than this. So I don't know how we're gonna fit everything, but this one here, this one is broken, the door. So I don't think Daddy don't want to take it to the new place, but it goes well with everything, like the TV unit and the hallway table, because they're set. I don't want to let it go, but Daddy wants to replace it, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah guys, I'm already tired. So tired already. So Daddy's not home yet. As mentioned, he went with his mate for breakfast, and it's already, what time is it now? 8:26. But I better do more packing, guys, because these ones I have to close. These boxes, guys, Tita packed them when she was still here. Bless her. I really miss her, guys. Yeah. So I'll keep you updated, guys, with what's happening here. So in the second room, guys, we still have my vanity and the chair, with a dirty towel on it, pillows, and then I still have this, how do I call it, I don't know, pen, and this one, we still have Paris's drawer, like closet. So I took all her dress and, you know, all of her clothes out, put them in the box. As you can see, they're all empty now, so we just need to carry them all downstairs. morning. Good morning, princess. Someone's awake. Mama was trying not to make any noise. How are you? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Daddy went with Uncle Snake for breakfast. Tita is in the Philippines.
Daddy is a poo.
Daddy poo.
Mommy Tita poo.
Yes, Tita went home to the Philippines. She'll come back soon.
Food.
Do you want to say hi to Tita? No. You don't want to say hi to Tita. I cuddle. Good morning, my princess. Beautiful girl ni Mama. I love you. Do you want to help Mama pack? Honey? Do you want to help Mama pack? Oh. Yeah. Mama's not finished with packing yet. Do you want to help? Huh? Maybe not? Tita's not here to help. Tita left us. Tita has to go home to the Philippines. Yeah? Tita will come back. Ba, Tita ba? Bolok mo na among Tita ba? Matabang mo na si Tita. Do you want that? Okay, come on. So inside this box, guys, it's full of Daddy's unwanted clothes. So I'm going to send them to the Philippines. Are you helping Mommy? Okay. Hat? What's this now? Hat. Ooh. Be careful, honey. Hat. Apple. You want apple now?
Apple, Mama. Apple, Mommy.
Apple, Mommy. Daddy. Baby, eat. The baby wants to eat. Huh? Come on, let's go downstairs and we'll go eat. Come here, help Mommy. Here. What happened to her house? Gonna give you some apple, honey. Ooh, and bread. Daddy's home now, guys. He's got me hot chocolate. Say hi now. Someone's calling for her daddy. Just went to put some boxes on his mate's car. Call Daddy? Of course, we have so many boxes here. I don't know if it'll fit the truck. Where is Daddy? So the truck just arrived, guys. I don't know if you can see. Wait, careful, Anna, back here. Baby girl, back here. The truck is here, nak.
Daddy.
So that's the truck. What are they doing, Daddy?
Daddy, Daddy.
What are they doing?
Driving in.
Daddy. Cookie.
Oh, please, anak, careful.
Daddy.
Oh, Paris, okay.
Daddy.
The truck is here. Guys, it's very messy here at the moment. The truck left, guys, with Daddy and everyone else. So it's just at the end here. And Paris, and then we're gonna go drive there now too. We still have so much in here, guys, but we just can't fit everything in the truck, guys. So we have to do another trip. Lati, gibili nila ang akong plant eh. Gibili nila akong plant. Palayas si Daniela. Nagkape pa si Daniela, oh. Palayas hindi ay. Wala na natin, butang tayo. Ang garage, ngit ba? Huwag here, nak. Hello. Naigo ka ang couch. Did the couch fit, Daddy? Oh, ngit-ngit. Hi. Fine. Oh, good. The couch fit, honey. Daddy. Daddy, igo-igo lagi ang couch siya. Kasi ay.
Asa na yung TV?
Dili, ignan ako si Mike. Dili na ako butang. Nga, karong masaladaan iba.
Kaya kanina bang sponsor na yun ng
Firefighter.
Silang i-close. Careful! Daddy's coming. Come on.
Anak. Ayaw pagkuhan niya, anak.
Come here. Come here. Yeah. Come here.
Mura man siya gi. Amo mong sendali.
Oh, okay lang dyan yung TV niyo mo. Pero yung bago po.
Ayun lagi si Mike. Ang matawag ko man ako.
Ano yung mo siya yan, Agrio?
Agrio? You should be. Ako na magtangis na. Doon mo ko.
Gawa eh.
Bago biya ka nagis na. Mukha yun yung mga dali. Isa mo na lang.
Nakatbang sila.
Wala yung naman.
Mommy.
Yes.
Daddy.
Daddy, where's Daddy, sweetheart? Where's Daddy? I'll enter you this way.
Oh, at least di na mas teknik yung mga bisita na.
Alam na natong Uber Eats na ko. Tabuan sa si Kuya.
Asa?
Hindi ka po yung nag-arsa sa box guys. O, gigutom. Gigutom mga nagkuhan guys, oh. May aoy.
Gutom si Daniel.
May aoy. Daniela yung bag na. Guys, na namong bugas. Wala na kag-iuna pagsulod. Dya. And the fridge fits very well. Which I'm very happy about. Guys, na namong angel sent from heaven.
Kuskus pa guys, kay gabi kayo ng Indian guys eh.
Kuskus piga pa. Uy, grabe. Anak? Unsa man na? Tapos ikaw dito ka, balingit makay ka anak ah. Ligo ka niya ah. So just an update, it's already, let us have a look at the time. It's 5 o'clock already, guys, and it is coming nicely. So I'm just gonna, we just need to unpack the boxes really. Kuya Noel changed the bulbs, guys, because before it's got the warm white color, so it's like the yellowish color, and I want it like the cool white, so it's really bright. So this is the mirror, I have to put that there, but the, what was the word, the glass thingy on top of this table, guys, we left at the other house, so we have to go back and pick it up before I can put this mirror. And got Paris. Hi honey, you wanna say hi? And then boxes everywhere, guys. And also, guess what, we also left the thingy for the bed because it's upstairs. So yeah, unfortunately we will be sleeping on the mattress tonight because we can't put the bed together. What else we got here? So we got this here, so it's looking really good for now. Disregard that dirty cloth. But guys, Ate Anna helped me clean the glass, guys, so see, they look spotless at the moment. But have a look, Paris started playing here already, so it's everywhere. But at the moment it's looking like this. I'm just in the corner, so 2 couches and a TV, and you know, we still have to put all our stuff, guys. It's dirty, and the kitchen, so that's the inside, you know, the pantry, and the fridge fits very well there, so that's perfect. And then yeah, it's coming along really well, guys. And go to the laundry, guys. Then ta-da, we got guys, $100 per hour din. Nagkuhan siya professional nga cleaner.
Yes, kanang contact mo guys.
I'll put the phone number in the description box below. And it's all the empty boxes, and we've got more boxes here in the garage. So I parked the car on the side of the road. And guys, found na lang din ako pagpuli ang one, guys, tabang. And then yeah, that's the washing machine. What's going on, sweetheart? What's that? So yeah, guys, it looks really good. I can't wait to get this all done. So tomorrow I have more time to do stuff because I won't be working tomorrow. I'm on my annual leave tomorrow, guys. So yeah, the boys, they went to the park just across the road, guys. They played basketball. And yeah, so guys, the walls looks cleaner now, guys, because Ate Ann seriously cleaned it. Thank you so much, Ate Ann. But yeah, guys, I really like these 2 doors. You know, you can open really wide and you open both. They're going. Bye bye. Thank you for everything, Char. Thank you, Kuya. Kuya! Salamat ito kayo, ya.
Ano pa itong may pangkuto mo?
Amo na itong buwan ay. Hinahinayan na ito na mo. Maigo.
Wala na may ay katong sa gym din na equipment din ko.
Ambot.
Sabi ka gana to niya.
Ambot. Ay mo siya mag-high trailer. Hindi pa muda na trailer ko mo balo nga na.
Kabalo siya magkuhan. Kaya
Wala
itong
naman
gigamit.
pa.
Itong gigamit.
Tira, makaguyod.
Oo, pwede ito magaguyod.
Trailer.
Oo.
Og kuan na sa
Next na.
kung kanus mo free.
Oo.
Hindi, dili wala pa ibagrenta to. Di pa to gamitin sa tagyan.
February 21 kuman mi dito taman.
Okay.
Ate,
Kuhan na lang. Next.
Ano pa sa inyo yung yabe?
Gilakan niya sulod sa balay.
Ay, next Sunday na lang. Abag sa... Kaya isa rin nakakargahan.
I ordered like a fiddle fig tree on Facebook Marketplace. So they're going to deliver it tonight, guys. So it's going to really look nice. I'll put it somewhere there in front so there's like green, you know, because I like green, guys. Seriously, see the screen here already. The screen there. So yeah, I just bought this plant there. It was like 85 Australian dollars, and my car is too small for that plant, guys, so I asked them if they can deliver. Fortunately they can, and it's only for $12, so it's not too bad. So they're going to deliver it tonight. But yeah, I think I'm just going to end the vlog here now, guys, because yeah, we still have a lot of unpacking to do. Where are you? Here's Daddy.
Hello.
Hi. Hello, sweetie girl. So I'm just gonna take Paris to the park now because Daddy's gonna keep unpacking. But that's about it for today's video, guys. I'm going to keep you updated with everything. I'm still gonna put all my stuff in there so it's gonna look very nice. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. As always, appreciate your time, and I hope that you hit that like button and also that subscribe button to be a part of this family, and also ring that bell as well so you get notified every time I upload videos. And I'll see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.